And now a tour of Cat Shangri-La. Here we have the enclosed litter box out in the open for all cats to enjoy. Plants, both exotic and normal. A little bit of ficus tree. Couch with incredible spots for the cat to jump on. Flowers. It's a Van Gogh flower. We have a Vincent Van Gogh painting. It was pricey, but I thought, I deserved it. Here's the cat condo that nobody uses. But look at all those scratching posts and cool toys. What? Something's glowing? That is a cat fountain. Wow. More plants. Cat TV going during the day, in 4K for the cat to enjoy. Birds. And the window's wide open pretty much all day long so they can see out and go, wow, I wish I was outside. And here is Niffer. Kind of lounging, it's really early. It's about 6 a.m. on a Sunday. Kind of relaxing. Over here is the food area. I keep dry food out pretty much all the time. And then about every 4 hours there's like a wet food feeding that we do. Over here we've got Charlie's NASA. This is where I do all my work, pretty much. Turn the volume down so they don't say, oh, what are you doing? That's copyrighted material. We're going to mute your video. Typical YouTube. Down here is pretty much where they were born. This is the kennel where they were born. They had to unplug the heating blanket because they were like biting on the electrical cord. I was afraid they were going to bite right through it and get electrocuted. But they're all sleeping right now. Wait a minute. Is he sleeping or is he faking it? Okay. Of course, over here, lots and lots of toys. Lots of things to climb up on. Mom saying, hey, what are you doing? Are you bothering my kittens? Are you bothering me? Oh. Just down here and go, oh. That feels good. Yeah, I could use a massage right about now. Don't touch my ears. Do not touch my ears. What's that noise? Okay, gotta get this above ground spot so I can keep an eye on these kittens. Oh well, that's it for now.